So we want to continue our 360 strike coverage with Denver 7's Jackie Crea. She's at DPS headquarters, where we understand, Jackie, there are already some picketers out there as well.
Emily Griffith downtown. This line of teachers now, probably some of the 2,100 that we know have called out so far, according to DPS, are starting their picket lines out front with chants and signs saying Denver educators on strike for their students. You can't put students first when you put teachers last, is what I'm hearing them say and reading on one of those signs. Here's what DPS says. It'll cost $400,000 a day to keep schools operating with substitutes and administrators. Now, both sides disagree on how teachers should go about increasing their compensation over the years. Their program or compensation system expired last month. The DPS wants to prioritize teachers in high poverty schools with bonuses, and the union wants more opportunities to get a pay raise as they advance their education, saying bonuses are unreliable. They're losing teachers to other opportunities, other districts that pay more. Now, DPS's last offer made over the weekend doesn't quite close the gap. Teachers are asking for $28.5 million. The district offered $23.3 at the close of Saturday night's negotiations. And in order to make a deal based on what they've offered, DPS will have to get rid of 100 or eliminate 150 positions at the central office. That's according to DPS Superintendent Susana Cordova. And she spoke to cameras yesterday, Sunday, after the district invited the union to meet them once more at the negotiations table. The union did not show up, said simply they were tired of going round and round. They've negotiated for 15 months, they say. Now, the union said they expect the district at some point to ask a judge to issue a court order mandating teachers to go back to the classroom, but that would only happen if the judge determines the strike represents a public threat to, a threat to public health or safety. Again, we've seen teachers kind of come in and staff come in to the Emily Griffith campus, and then some staying outside forming these picket lines. I'll send it back to you guys for now, but as far as we know, a little more than 2,000 teachers have called in sick, and we believe there are about 4,000 teachers according to DPS's website.
Yeah, and to give you a little more perspective on those numbers, so DPS is telling us 2,100 teachers called in sick. There are 4,300 teachers in the DPS district, and about 60% of those are in the union. So it'll be interesting to see how many teachers who are not in the union show up to class today, or if they join some of the people in the union and strike.
The district said it was up to every teacher, whether they're a union member or not, to decide if they wanted to go to work today, go to the classroom, or to strike. And those numbers are of out teachers today, those called out today, came from the schools. So we're waiting to get updated numbers. We'll probably continue to get updates on those numbers throughout the day on how many teachers are actually out of the classroom.